Hi, so today we are going to tell you how to set up your own BSF nursery. The most important thing to set up your BSF facility is to have their colony. You can have them by doing these 3 ways. First, you can find them in animal farm such as chicken farm, dog farm or any other farm, or also you can find them in compost pile. The second one, you can just attract them using decaying materials or organic waste or attractant. We use our attractant here that contains dead flies, larvae residue, old attractant, and then mix them with food water. And if they are not successful, then what you can do is just transport them from another BSF facility. So there are 5 stages of BSF that you can transport. Eggs, you can transport them, but it's a bit tricky because they dry out easily. And then larvae, even though it is more flexible than eggs, but you still have to feed them until they change into prepupae. And prepupae, even though they don't need to eat anymore, they still move, so they will crawling around or even poke a hole on your package. And pupae, it is the easiest stage to transport them because they don't eat, they don't move, and all you can do is just put them into a pupation material and wait them emerge into flies. And of course, transporting flies is the hard one, and you still have to wait them to mate and lay eggs and so on. In forward, we think transporting pupae is the best way. So we created a starter pack that contains 500 prepupae inside a pupation material that's made from compost mixture, and you can get also 1 set of eggs. All you need to do is just put them inside a cage, let them emerge, then put an egg on top of an attractant so the female flies can lay eggs in there. So how to get our starter pack? You can just contact us here on our Facebook page.
Thank you for watching this video. If you're interested in the content, be sure to visit the AWAC website and also visit our Facebook page.